So, as I was saying before, I was really interrupted by my dogs. Apologies. Astronomy camera. Might as well. I mean, some people use normal cameras. Some people use modified Xbox webcams. This one, as I said, I was approached by the company, and this is what we get. So, now that's out of the way. There we go. So, bring it into view. Right, so let's have a look at this, shall we? Give me 2 seconds. There we go. Right. Ta-da! What a beaut. Now, look at this. Not heavy. Still sturdy. Yeah. Really nice. These will be the attachments. Yep, there we go. That one there. And the one for the main eyepiece is there. And in here, the documents and the disk to install the program onto the computer. Alright, so the cable covers. So what I will do next is I'll let you know how I get on with it. Unfortunately, it's cloudy at the moment here, so I may not get to use it tonight, but we shall wait and see. I'll be in touch.